Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how to bake normal maps in program Marmoset 4. Let's get started. For this we have to prepare our models, low poly and high poly. Here is low poly mesh. And this our high poly mesh. Then go to the bake project. We can click on this icon. This function allows us get preview of result of bake. It is not necessary to do, and it will be working without this function, but it is very useful feature. Next, we have to choose the path where marmoset will save output maps. I want to select this folder and choose file format. I will save my maps in PNG format. You can choose something else if you want. Name our maps. Save and cities. Also, we can adjust here main settings. I will show you only default set. Choose resolution of our maps here. I will set 2K. You can choose authors if you want. Make sure that this checkbox is selected and press this button, and here we go, our normal map is ready. It was simple way of baking simple geometry. If you want bake something with difficult shape, I will try help you fix artifacts, if they appeared on your model, with one cool feature in Marmoset right out of box. We have something like this model, with difficult shape. I preliminarily bake this model and get artifacts. In this place, because of these forms. And now we are going to fix this. For this we have to go in our low section and go here, paint offset menu. Now we see opened window with our UV layout. We have to show to the program where we want to fix our cage offset. Let's just paint it. If you can't fix it, you need to adjust the selector here. And now, here we go. We got clean mesh. This was the second tip I wanted to show you if you come across this. And now I want to show you the third tip. I baked my normal map here, and I don't like this result. I see skewed area on this model, but I won't get the same result like here. With help marmoset we can quickly fix this. For it, we have to go here. To the section Paint Skew. Also, we can activate new Paint Skew. For visibility of normal directions. We are going to fix this result. Press the button here. Again see the window with our UV layout. We should show to the program where we want to fix our areas. Now just paint it. Just paint this area. And now we got normal map with right direction. Thank you for watching. It was my first tutorial. Sorry if I made mistake somewhere and my terrible English. If you want to add something or correct me, please write the comment down. It might help me and other people. Bye. Have a nice day.